PID:4 using port 80. I was trying to install Zen Server Say on my computer, but when I got to the point where I need to choose the port for my web server, it says, web server port 80 occupied. So I decided to check what is using port 80 with CMD by typing netstat ONA Finster 0.0:80. I check for PID:4 in Task Manager's processes and services. Seems PID:4 is system. So, what I want to know is how can I stop system PID:4 from using port 80? Info. I am using Windows 7 64-bit, Zen Server Say 5.5.0.
Okay, after searching the web for a while, I found a solution to my problem. Just follow these steps to diagnose and resolve your issue. Get PID that is listening port 80, netstat now, find column 80. Open Task Manager, go to Processes tab and check PID in menu/view/select columns, then look for the process using the PID found in last step. If it is a normal application or EAS, disable it or uninstall. Some programs, such as Skype, have the option to disable its use of port 80. If it is a system process, PID:4, you need to disable the http://sys driver which is started on demand by another service, such as Windows Remote Management or Print Spooler on Windows 7 or 2008. There is two ways to disable it, but the first one is safer. 1. Go to Device Manager, select Show Hidden Devices from menu/view, go to Non-Plug and Play Driver/http, double-click it to disable it, or set it to manual, some services depended on it. Reboot and use netstat now, find column 80 to check if 80 is still used. 2. Launch regedit. Go to he_local_machine/system/current control set/services/http. Change the value of start to 4, which means disabled. Reboot your computer. My solution was step 4.
I just had this issue after installing Windows 8 Pro, build 9200. I tried several methods but couldn't get any of them to work. This one, however, fixed it. You need to change the binded IP address for http://sys. This URL. On my case it was Webmatrix. See possible solutions, including this one, here, this URL. Basically, open services from administrative tools and locate Web Deployment Agent service. Stop the service and set its startup type to manual. The Web Deployment Agent service is deployed with Webmatrix and was the cause of my woes. It may also be distributed with other applications installed using Microsoft's Web Platform Installer.
PID:4 is hard-coded to be the system process which is part of the system kernel. If the port is occupied by the system, you probably had EAS enabled. See this URL.